Good afternoon, country people them. We're glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Tori House. This afternoon, Tori, it go be na for inside Kumba, country people them. We go take una turn for the whole town for Kumba for this afternoon for talk for now. The condition where people them for Kumba, they be shidon since for morning time. Wanna sabi say Saturday, Okada people they be make mash. For Sika Palava say the keys from their combi. And inside the arraignment, SDO SSF Ibi Tonton, yesterday will be this Sunday, for try for see as we go make peace, Ibi talk to it Okada people them. On top that one, them be promise Okada people the way they try hard, come up for outside today Monday. 2 liter them, 2 liter for fuel, plus 3,000. Sabi say ngom na SSF, but through Grant and Go, Ibi don't promise. Say they go give 1.5 million for say make Okada Union they take bury them combi where it is so they kill them. How Kumba Day this afternoon we go talk all the palabam for Sikada one we get special inside Kumba for Tori House this afternoon. Now so too we go take una we go for that side so for inside Norwest for talk say this so people them for Basi they don't get the new phone. Sabi say they put it for chair. Now this week we just come up for pass. Now so seb as we palava for country Sunday they happen. Some other people they don't decide. Now for Shidon for work we go take una for that side where they call them say Ambassador. Now for Limbe side for talk as we dey so. Young boy them since some time for Sika country Sunday. Now for a deep water them for say make water rain e no enter for inside them house. Sabi say since Friday we get more than 30 people them for Professor Maurice come to a party where they don't left them where they be there from Gata for Yawinde. We go talk that palava too for this afternoon. Then newspaper then too where they did for week before the Star, Advocate, the Sun, Guardian Post, Eden, even Horizon, plus the Post, Newswatch and the media newspaper. We go try for top team where all them they don't talk for we. This afternoon, big part of where we will concentrate. Now for top mala for this today when I'm Monday, he tell we say if person where he dey cook spaghetti, he cook quick, he own he done quick. He no mean say person where he dey cook beans, he then a lazy man. I say if person where he dey cook spaghetti, he own chop, he done quick. He no mean say person where he dey cook beans. He only lazy, na lazy. Now, boo rice for that side, so for womb, for Bamenda, now I send we big part of for this afternoon. I will turn back some more time. As well we talk for now for this afternoon, Tori, it go be now for inside Kumba. Kumba na headquarter. For Meme Division, Sabi say all things he get some starts and he get some end. The starts for this palava now for Saturday for that side so for inside SDO office and DO them office. We go start for the country people them for talk this palava for Okada people the way they make strike. Okada people the way they make strike. Country people them Okada people they be make strike. It be dinner for Wednesday for Saturday. We go surely turn back for on talk this image country people them. Sabi say Okada people them sesep they be make mash. It be dinner for Saturday for that side so for Kumba and this Okada people them. For Sika this mash they be the vex now for their combi where it is so they don't kill their combi for that side so for inside Kumba. Now for a place where they call them say mother water with this arraignment so it pass country people them. Maybe we go surely turn for show now that mash where Okada people then be come out. It be then a big vex where they be vex on Saturday on top palava say the keys on their combi. They be there for SDO office. Now so to the commode go for DO for dual DO for Kumba 3. Yes, DO for Kumba 3 office. This one now the Okada people then set up that way they be come out. First assistant SDO, now SSF EBDD. First assistant SDO, now SSF EBDD. Now now for inside this palava so called the people them. First assistant SDO now every day for talk with this Okada people them for place where they call them say Kumba. And Sabi say the Okada people them they be them plenty where they be come up from different side for town. They can join for talk say this so it don't too much say this palava where the keys on their combi it make and then accept the vex according to where they talk even as well some people they deny now say this so Okada people they no talk say they go stop country Sunday for inside Kumba. Sabi say as well they be meet up with Oga DSDO first assistant will be answer Okada people them. He be try for talk say today when a Monday all Okada people them go come out for outside for work for Sika Palava say they no one country Sunday again for that side so for Kumba. After where this Okada people they come out for this side Sabi say some of them they come out them go join now for inside Kumba 3 now for that side where they meet up to another big administrator where they call him Epole Veklin where they so na DO for inside Kumba 3. There too Okada people them beg say make the so make uniform people them they know this also make them open eye take money for roads. Them too they say they want stop palava for country Sunday. On top that one they say that they want them to say make school it turn back. So as well they meet up with DO for Kumba 3 Epole Veklin. Now so today leave their complaint and the DO says it be glad plenty say Okada people then say they want take control for inside the town. Sabi say the one Okada they be the vex say they be keys on their combi for place where they call them say mother water now for that side so for Fiango under Kumba Atu where this palava be happen for Sika security reason we know fit for sure now the Okada people them face but if I say make we hear as way they talk for they talk for Ogala microphone.
Some of you don't take they can bring 50,000 before you take back. Go get and so that one you shoot you. And again, I experience another thing again from our own people the way me and no say they did for we, they did for support we. Why gendarmes and police when they see we for road, Mrs. Azadesu, now some mama do expire. The answer show driver license. They didn't even focus on even the book. They focus on money. With these days, transportation set where the one goes to play the hotel for will be first will be kind of 300 to 150.
Now this truck will make a one pony come here and 1 year something this since 14 April what come out pony 2018 come the Kuma another pass of pony.
I want just beg government if you support we every national 2 liter every Monday day from every 4 months. Yeah. Because if you want to say every Monday day, stages. So people say they will come out and they will walk.
Suggest that so we they so kind of people they make palava say make they give them fuel all Monday them steady constant for 4 months. If they work for Monday, then think they go the show. It means say they don't keep country Sunday for inside place where they call them say Kumba. Just now, make we hear wait away a DO for Kumba 3, Epole Veklin 2, it up. As well be meet up with the Okada people them Saturday way pass.
Be ready for collaborate with the forces of law and order. As long as them two they deal with who. So now I talk some very important talk for you. Me I don't ever know so now Okada people them get it down.
All town Okada no.
Okada people get this town.
I really get it down.
And as soon as I don't decide to take back Una town, I'll be very happy. Okada yeah.
Oh yeah. Yes. Ebidena for before DO for Kumba 3, Epole Veklin. After this waka for Saturday, DSDO Sesep into Ndong Shambalen, Ebi Anoshidoni for house after church. A tonton, first place we land in a people there, they be tonton, they be land now for that side, so for inside Mukobe Street. Now for Boya roadside, girl we see and we paint a head so, now girlfriend, for that Okada man where they call it say Itoy Junior Itoy, aka Fashion, where they kill it for that side so for Mother Water, Ezio in Tundong Shambalen. He gonna forgo talk Asia for the girlfriend and for even talk for the girlfriend say this home. Ngomna he don't take control on top the palaver say anytime they get for bury that young man where he dey so they kill him, they go see as well they go support him. Ezio come up for day, he go for Mother Water na for Fiango where the side where they kill that boy where they call him Junior Itoy. Now for they will got Ezio says he take his eye, he look the area, then they see as well they go main put security on top this place where this way happen. Ezio be one turn back for a office. He meet up with the Okada people them for before Fiango market. For them, now for the way promise, say them say they go help. For see say may they bury them come be way die fine. And two they don't talk say as well they don't fight. Say make a condition them. You know day today they go try for see as well they go help. Now for before Okada people them where Ezio says he talk on top palava say this so. 1.5 million he go come up for up when a grant and go send him. Dongamen says it be happen for SDA office with family. Last die body for that boy he go come on a Thursday. Now Okada people the way they be here say 2 liter fuel it go be for them. Now them that for inside SDA office. This early morning time, they go for go take fuel, say they go walk today when a country Sunday. Some of them, it then one day they don't surely turn for town small. As so it see them so now fuel that way they so they be talk say they will go give for them. And the small Okada people them, the one day they be give hard, they go for go carry the 2 liter fuel them where they be don't promise them say they go give for them sooner than that. Where they take fuel where Nangomna on top the fuel, Sabi say all then they come out with it 3,000 for inside the car where it then apart from Gomna where he give them for say may they take for walk inside Kumba town today. So now the Okada people then that where they go take fuel for that side so for inside the Kumba. Now Sabi say as well they talk this palaver for place where they call themselves say Kumba. Early morning time we no be see no one Okada for road. Even thing where they call them say yellow motor, we no meet up and for road. As well be the turn for inside town. Kumba market, it quiet, gate it dey open. No one man, it no be there for outside. This side now for side for Kumba town, side where Kumba one council says it dey. Road it be there empty. No one Okada, we no meet up and for roads. Even yellow motor when a taxi, we no meet up even one for road. As well as see am so for inside the chapter. Now for talk say waiting. Whether the Okada put the last fear or now for outside the walk, that one Nati will never feel for talk, but Congo side the talk same. Plenty of the Okada the way they turn for town. Congo side the talk saying so uniform people them where they shit on top. But that one will never fit for confirm. The Tory way it enter for inside we hear. On top that palaver country people them Sabi say SDO SSF for inside the for side for Kumba 2 make we fair land for Kumba 2 side or 3 where we meet up people them they don't cease today when country Sunday them SSF they struggle for clean their place they dig gutter hole them they open hole them place where it be don't chakara people them for that side so them SSF they don't come out for see as well they go clean the place today it be then a day where Okada people they be don't talk say they go come out but even for this side, we no be fit for see even Okada people there, they turn. We meet up now people there, they do instead use now the country Sunday for dig their ground, cover road them for that side, so for inside the Kumba 3, as we Tori enter for inside we in a business place and that way people they be get for sale. No one I man, you know they day for sale as we they be used for sell for normal day them because normal this store they want to meet up na place where people they she don't sell. But today when I'm Monday, no one person you know come up for outside, not to talk for the Okada people them too where they be the talk say they go walk so now we never feel for confirm whether plenty of them they dey for outside as well they promise or if you only then a mop where they be the make them as well the talk now people there they do instead use now the opportunity say place it dey quiet for the walk inside their compound. SDO SSF it dey outside as well the talk will be land for that side for outside quarter side For here too, as we see roads, no one Okada no day. We meet up na moto for to them where it turn up, it the gauge for all corner where anything if you can pass. But last we even see some 1 or 2 Okada where they be the pass, but plenty be near people their place, it they lock. As we see no one Okada the one na high roads except for that side, so for Fiango, for Auza quarter side. This afternoon we will just enter for them na the Okada than that, but plenty of them as we the talk now one the way they so na arrangement it they the only ton no they need to carry even the passenger them for Sika say no one person in no day outside for Kumba. So as you said it use this opportunity as we place a quiet it don't go get up for some people them for that side, so for inside that Kumba as soon as as so Okada the pass now so to to the motor the follow for back as you then for some one side for Kumba 2D office now for the way it the cut rise again for some people there they don't hear say they give mala, so all they don't run cam for can take their small rise and for that side, so for inside Kumba too. So as we talk, we be there for inside Kumba. For talk for now, true as well the thing it the pass for that side, so for Kumba. Since we the talk on top this palava, we take una land for Limbe. Sabi say today sesem na day way it dey so na country Sunday too for Limbe. People them for that side they no go or workplace. They did them for outside. Ambassador Bay quarter will enter so. Now they say they don't come out. Say this plenty railway don't start for. They no one thing where water rain it go enter for inside them house. So them say they don't use country Sunday today for dig water them so that water rain if you can waka pass Nayo where you no go enter for inside people them house. They dig their water hole them, then they carry the ground, throw them to for roadway it don't chakara. Sabi say the people them for Ambassador Bay quarter for Limbe. They suffer plenty for Sika say anytime where rain it fall, water it enter, and as well rain it over start for plenty. Them say they decide to make the dig gold so that make water in no meet up them for on top them beds. Now so to the beg Limbe one council where they under say make they try can throw a gravel so that them say they go fit for a chakara the gravel if they no fit for help them. Now so they think the pass for inside place where they call them say Ambassador Bay quarter. Make we hear where some of the people then talk for Davidson Maimo a microphone.
People can't walk because you realize the whole this area, so you see now water. So we don't try to see a trend towards this direction so that water really flow very well. If you look right up, if you come down, so water they can enter people their houses. So we really try to assist the council. You don't see their hands are really tight as they now do. As youth, you know, we just should also for the youth. We try as much as possible to see how we make a maybe possible for passengers, bike people, and even people they get into. Because if rain fall here, people not be walk over here. You walk on top of the veranda, they know really fine. So as youth, you not decide to come, the excellence to make council to try help. We need travel to travel this place so that we get a good passage. Water no good system.
Now the period is for rainy season. When rain fall, this place na mud. Even when Mrs. say when I want to walk, I not be able to go walk. I need to wear 2 shoes. The inconvenience be too much. So they really beg na council. Now when we the Ambassador Bay youth really come out because the gutter don't really block. Come out say more even dig the gutter. For some people water get way for pass. But now we really beg na for the council. Same they catch away gravel. We the Ambassador Bay Youth Association for Limbe Garden, who they ready for scatter the gravel. Only the only gravel. We beg the Limbe one council. We really beg them. Me they doing the only gravel for the place.
Yes, palava for gravel for flop so that water no go ever turn up as we una here for that side. Now, Sabi say all money heads, it dena for palava say make school turn back for September, particular for Northwest and Southwest. Now for Sikawai, where it dey just now, apart from Mancho BBC where don't write BB letter from Mangata, other people there they don't support. We get Ayapol and even a Center for Human Rights and Democracy for Africa where head boy says na Barisa for Bala Felix. You fit see that pikin wey carry orange on top his head. He talk say he also get in mind. He then say he wan be a doctor. You know one they say na the kind of thing. Sabi say since when the palava starts, plenty of them they don't turn a business people them for that side. So then SSF they talk. They want turn back for school. Since we dey for on top palava for turn back for school, we take una go for place where they call am say Besi for Besi side. Even as so we enter for then a palava for new phone will be turn. We see am say school them for that side for Besi. No nothing you know they happen as so show now one of them so plenty of the school them the day where they don't abandon where it in a place where picking them they begin for learn book all the one now for Sika this palava for Norwest and Southwest where school them they don't they empty no person you know they for inside now so make we take on enter say for inside palace on Besi sabi say for Besi side for Norwest now for them where they don't put them new igwe the new phone for inside that place. The other phone as soon as I'm Besi Awunje Palace Hall as soon as they see am. Now for this I will enter where the one put the new phone for on top chair. Sabi say Papa says for inside the arrangement as so they ever talk. The other phone it don't go work out so it be then a big game for people that way they come up for Besi for that side so for inside and Norwest where they be they put them new phone for chair and they don't give the phone plenty work. Sabi say Palava way school no they turn back phone to he get for see whether I go try for your own base and the thing where it be lack for inside in Gando now say they no be gree for shoot gun sabi say the gun palava they be don't deny say me they no shoot gun again for Sika this palava so for Norwest and Southwest so all thing it be pass now normal for that side so from Besi as so they be put them new phone and the phone says a sabi thing say way it get for do already make we hear wait till one person for inside Besi side it talk for Mbu Stella.
I be so happy like a son of the village. I love my village so much and for the length of time we don't work with the fun way he be depart from we now I be so happy because the one way they on na assistant administrator way at least he don't get that much experience way he go just continue from where the papa he believe him. So I be so happy as I always know the village from the time I be baby from the time I dey small. They always give their best support where they feel give them. And even me, as a councillor, the support they don't always give me, it be too much. Not to talk of the one way they will get for the fund. So I'll be confident.
Now, apart from school, Sabi say that village, it get problem too for roads, palace too, it the leak, and plenty other thing them. Make we hear wait to wait fund SSF talk from Boostella.
For my mind, I want Semi will be in peace, loving each other, and we will join hands so that we will develop a village. So when we develop a village, we will feel fine, and we will send we them for school, so that when they go for school, they will come down, they will make more development. First one way, they are gun shooting, where be there. Most of the elites when they were so for camp, most of the elites when they were so for camp, they not come. Most of the elites where they did for in the diaspora, America, Germany, and Europe, they not fit camp because of this political situation. Those are the things the way I get them from minds where they really humbug me. Wait till I will start for day. I will try for improve on particularly on top with the way if you don't put up the schools. Some of them they don't spoil all. I will try say me and the population will try for build them the hospital where it did there. We will try for people the roads where they know they fine. Because the political situation, I will try with the population, we will see say meet the roads, they fix the road, then fine. Even palace, if you work out for palace, why just say palace they fine? No, they fine. In the league, plenty plays the league. With me, with my population, we will see say better.
Now the new fund that for basic people them tomorrow we'll go turn back, we'll go show now the road for that side, so for basic and even plus the school as waiting they don't work for that side now. We go left chapter them for that side. We talk palaver for small politics again. Now for enter for Cameroon Renaissance movement as we be talk for now. This weekend we pass, they be come out more than 30 of the people them around them 30 where they be there from Qatar. So even my president now they look out the party just now after with the cash first vice and even the Ogak Pata self, Professor Maurice Kamto. So Tiran Noam, he be there with plenty of the people that way there, so they be left them from Gata side him for Yawende. He be there now this weekend we just finish up. Now so we see country for this afternoon for this side, so for Equinox Tori House. Newspaper the day for we before. The Star newspaper waiting there for it before, like strong number them. Make we enter for read Tori where the start off for we the study tell we. As we Paul Tasson says, he don't take na Tori for say make people them for Lebialem. They get hope. That one that they talk that way go give for Lebialem people them. Where they done for West region for Seka Palaba for Northwest and Southwest. USC them says they don't come up for some 5 point them. Where it is so they check say if you help for the Palaba for Northwest and Southwest, where in the Kiwi country just now. They tell you to inside the star, say after we they so, Ikiliwin they be detroit thy body. Just now from Balangi side where they don't see same, they detroit thy body them for sake of this chapter for Northwest and Southwest. You go read Tori to a consign Konak, people that they fight against Choco, where they don't launch or they don't start some campaign for say make vote inside we country, you no get no patcha for inside. We enter for inside another newspaper, Advocate. Where they outside, they tell we say just now, all money hand, it then for on top of table for say make school, it turn back for Northwest and Southwest. They tell we say just now, they say civil society people them, even other Tory people them, all money don't join hand for say make school turn back. Now so today they tell we as we Mutanga when a head boy for Limbe City Council, he don't talk, say make the new Secretary General, he put his head fine for work and for help the community inside that side. So for Limbe, you go read Tori to Palava Tombi Aroko Sidiki, where they don't talk for he say make him up, he no ever talk Palava from Damba inside we country. Nico Hale says he don't give his own way where the feast of Palava for Northwest and Southwest. The Sun newspaper where they outside, he tell we chapter for say make people that turn back for school. They say he dey now for different level as we plenty people them they don't talk on top this Palava. Paul Tasson, minister says he don't carry a message for hope, Tori for hope for Gogi and for people them for Lebialem, where they run for Sika this Palava so for Northwest and Southwest. Presbyterian Church moderator says he don't talk, say make peace, he turn back, so that make church people them they know the talk say pastor don't do the one, pastor never do that one. Tori too, if you read them inside the Sun newspaper where it dey outside now Palava for Donald Trump the country they don't talk again on top chapter for Northwest and Southwest. We enter inside the Guardian Post where they outside Guardian Post they tell we as we Senate people them for Donald Trump the country they don't talk, say may they stop all this Palava popcorn where they holla for Northwest and Southwest and this Palava where people they die careless for that side. So according to the Guardian Post, the Guardian Post too they talk for we as we separatist people they talk say Mayor Ikema Patrick now he says he don't turn out for that before for say make Anglophone independence he no go for before. You go read Tori too Palava diaspora and Bazonia head boy them one day where they day outside where they don't join too for talk say make school he turn back for Northwest and Southwest. Tori too you feel for read them Palava for Kumba where Okada people them they talk say country Sunday he no go day again and I don't see image for Kumba as waiting it happen. We left the Guardian Post, we enter for inside Eden newspaper where they outside Eden newspaper it talk for we as we they so just now plenty pressure he dey on top Nkunkuma head say make he left all people the way don't catch him for Sika Palava for politics for we country. You go read Tori to a tell we say Limbe City Council they don't get new Secretary General. You feel read and too inside the Post or the Eden newspaper where they outside plenty other to read them where it dey to them for outside with the Eden newspaper and the Tori people them they don't carry them. We enter for the Horizon newspaper 2 a day outside. Horizon newspaper they tell we how Atanganji, Grand Tango, he don't talk for people them, we Muslim brother them, where they go for Mecca, say make the prayer, say make Allah, he give Nkunkuma plenty time for she done on top chair. You feel read tutori inside the Horizon where it is so, Kavayege Jibril Seseb, he don't drag EF for say make no person, no make mistake, and that kind of mistake, they no go ever show you sorry hard on top. If they talk now for which time, if you read them for the Horizon newspaper, Ntum for Nikohale, person for peace, it says he don't come out, he own road, where he checks say this whole peace, if he turn back for Northwest and Southwest. If you read other to read them, Palava, Cameroon, gendarme man to get for Tana for before court. Why Donald Trump country, he denies he make no enter for them. The post, another one will look for inside the detail we, as we Okada people them, for that side so for Kumba, they be provoke inside this Saturday way pass, now so they don't talk, say make your uniform people, they know they disturb them, and they don't talk, say they go hell too for stop country Sunday. Inside the same post too, they talk, as we cover a get bill, he don't talk for Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute, say make it the lookout, Grand Tango. Now for Sika waiting, you feel for read them inside. Now so today they tell we fund them for Lebialem and even Minister Porter song. All them they be there for West region for talk Asia and for help people there for Lebialem where they don't run for Sika Palava for Northwest and Southwest. Newswatch it tell we this time as we National Gendarmerie Inspector SSF he too he get for before court. Now for Sika waiting Palava where they don't talk for he say they no one catch it 2 foot inside Donald Trump country. Ntum for Nikohale Seseb, he too, he don't start for make peace. How he dey and waiting he get if you read them inside Newswatch. Palava, former head boy for Fekafutu, Tombi Aroko Sidiki, where they don't talk, say make you no try open him up for talk chapter for Ndamba. Inside the country, you feel it inside Newswatch. Median, the last one will look for inside the tell we as we Kumba Okada people they say they don't make na big fight with Amba people them for Sika Palava say they kill them Kombi. Ekema Patrick Esunge say you feel the Tori Palava as we the vex we bine people they also respect country Sunday. Now so today the tell we Barrister Agbobala Felix, Mancho BBC and plenty other people then just now they don't start talk say make school turn back. Chapter for Sonaratu or Pamol, if you read them inside the media newspaper, where it is outside this afternoon. Now for the will finish story country people them want say big thank you for all people that were they join me for this site. And if you come over and no talk, happy birthday for you, Mami Kiki, you the shidon for that side so for Kumba and all people them for Kumba they go surely know you. Amos Fongo, thank you plenty Malis, thank you, Various, thank you, and even Ndam Mitterrand, thank you plenty. Now sote for some time we go surely meet up. On all I'm tight for outside.